I bought an analog voltmeter. Sometimes I like an analog sometimes. Reacts differently to mixed signals. Something you can see visually in the corner of your eye is why I really like it. With the digital one, I have to have it real near where I'm working. This I can have off to the side, out of my way, and I can still catch it in my peripheral vision. Cool. It has sort of a brand, Pro'sKit. Supposedly has approvals, CE, no UL. It's not a meter for, industry or anything like that. It's strictly another handyman and home type meter. Comes with some Mitsubishi batteries. The probes that come with it look pretty good. Got the little caps on the ends. We're working those later, I guess. Oh, that's right. And you got caps on these ends too. Don't come through the tip at all. They're just dead end caps. Look pretty good though. Pretty sturdy. Pretty sharp. It's got the kind of rubbery sides. Might help it a little bit. Better than the brittle plastic on the Radio Shack one. It's basically almost the same meter though, otherwise. It has separate things for the batteries, which is kind of a safety thing. So there's some ideas for safety in this, so it's not like something you'll be giving to an electrician or anything. So this battery door comes off with a little latch. You turn 90 degrees, 180 degrees I guess. This one has a screw in it for the 9-volt compartment. That way, actually. Both of them have a little foot or prop or whatever. So this will be for a taller. This bottom one give you a nice, mostly upright. Where this one will be mostly just a little bit off the bottom. So I've got it a slight tilt, or you can do the heavier tilt. This bigger tilt is kind of we'll have to see how that holds up or not. Yeah, pretty good. So when you're putting it back in though, it feels like you're going to snap it. But for the camera, this is probably the best one. It's kind of an odd deal. You got it sit right in the little groove there, just right. Switch is decent. Lost my prop rod. I checked out a couple of the ohms already. One complaint I saw was about zeroing the ohms, but I haven't had any trouble. It seems to be pretty smooth. You do have to zero it from range to range, which a really good meter you probably wouldn't have to do so much. But it is what it is. Yeah, I'll come back on later if I find any accuracy problem. I presume it's just going to work like a regular VOM. The downer is the 20 kilovolts per volt input impedance on a meter like this. My only critique of this meter is, why not go the extra step and make it a FET meter for almost no more cost. The manual isn't totally useless. It's somewhat substantial. It's not all perfect English in there, it's the back half is in Chinese, but the Chinglish isn't too bad. It's mostly comprehensible. Good response on that. And that's about the speed of the needle. And like any meter of this type, when you put it on off, it puts a short across the movement, so the needle doesn't move as much when it's jerked around in transit. This is the meter on the Banggood site. Usual Banggood stuff. Not a whole lot of information here. Does come with a pretty good manual. Well, decent manual. A little bit of Chinglish in there. Probes are pretty good, as I mentioned in the review. Safety standard, I guess. All the features here. There's the blow up.